Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. My name is Chef Ayesha and this is my platform, Cuisine du Monde, cuisines around the world. So today we're going to make some Hausa dessert, so more like a yogurt dessert. So we're gonna make brukina. And for the ingredients, we need some millet flour. So this is bajri flour. We need some sugar, some salt, some vanilla essence, some ground ginger, some double cream, and some milk, and a whole milk, full fats milk. And you can even add in some Greek yogurt, optional though. This will just do. So guys, we're gonna pour some of the millet flour in here, not too much, because if you put in a lot you're gonna get too much, isn't it? So yeah, so we're gonna put in the salt, not too much, quarter of a teaspoon. We're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, or maybe a quarter, or maybe 1. We'll incorporate in everything. It's incorporated, we're just gonna put water on it like that, and then we would more like scramble it to make some crystals, tiny crystals. And it is very pertinent that you gradually incorporate in the water in order to avoid more like a doughy consistency, because that's not what we want to achieve. So this requires a bit of patience on your parts. So just gradually sprinkle the water in your millet flour, and then scramble it to form tiny crystals. So guys, see, it's forming tiny crystals, and we'll gradually incorporate in the water till we've achieved the same with the rest of the flour. As I said, this is the crystals that we form, tiny crystals. And now we're gonna steam this. So I have on fire a pot of water, allow it to boil, and then we'll steam this. I have a pot of water, and I'm just gonna put a splatter guard on it, or you can use a colander, but this has tiny holes and is very broad, so that will work. So guys, at this point I'm just gonna spread the millet crystals that we made. I'm just gonna spread, and we're gonna do it into 2 batches. That way it gets, we ensure that it gets thoroughly cooked. So I'm just gonna spread it just across the surface of the cooking pot to allow the steam, spread it so that it gets thoroughly cooked. Now, because this is a steaming process, it requires you to trap the steam so that it cooks the millet crystals. So I'm just gonna use a kitchen foil, and then I'm just gonna cover the whole surface of the pot and wrap the ends like this, so that no steam is able to escape, and then we get this nicely cooked. I check up on our millet crystals. So as you can see, because it's getting cooked, you know, it's changed from this state to a slighter cooked, you know, and therefore we are able to also see that the crystals is thoroughly formed. We're gonna give this, so you can do this for approximately 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave it for an extra 1 minute, and then I'm gonna just take it out and then put the rest of the millet in there. So we are done with all the millet crystals. If this is done, I'm just gonna take this off and then put the next batch on. This is how the cooked one looks like in comparison to the uncooked one. I'm gonna put this here, and then once we are done, we'll work on our cream bit or the liquid bit. The second batch is done, so I'm just gonna remove these, and then we get on with our milk base. We are working on the cream. We're gonna allow this to cool down. So you see the crystals? Yeah. So in goes our milk. Approximately, let's say 2 cups. In goes approximately 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence.
Ayesha,
In goes the sugar, approximately 3
a place where your cooking is cared for.
So this is a bit sweet, so,
Ayesha,
and you know,
in a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha, you are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha, come on, Ayesha, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha, come on, Ayesha, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha, you are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha,
in a jar like
this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating recipes across the globe, then this channel is for you. And you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. That way, you too get to recommend my channel, and I also get to upload more videos. Thank you.
Ayesha, a place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha, wanna learn how to make this beautiful Burkina yummy Hausa dessert? Check out the recipe on my channel, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to support the channel. Thank you.